Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the hog glider. This powerful strategy combines the speed of hog riders with the destructive power of a battle blimp. The goal is to quickly eliminate key defenses, especially the town hall, using a precise deployment. It's an effective way to secure 2 or even 3 stars on many bases, making it a favorite for many players. For your army, you'll want around 10 to 12 hog riders for ground support. The core of this attack is a battle blimp, ideally filled with goblins or super goblins. Regarding spells, bring 2 or 3 rage spells to boost your blimp's payload. Also, pack 2 or 3 heal spells to keep your hog riders alive as they clear defenses. Begin by identifying a clear path for your battle blimp to reach the town hall. Deploy the blimp first, aiming directly for that target. As it approaches, drop a rage spell to maximize the damage from its payload. Immediately after, deploy your hog riders to clear surrounding defenses, ensuring they have a clear path to other structures. Effective timing of your heal spells is crucial to sustain your hog riders through heavy fire. Consider bringing 1 freeze spell to neutralize particularly dangerous defenses like Inferno towers. Practice this method on bases where the town hall is somewhat accessible. With good execution, this strategy is highly effective for securing 2-star attacks and sometimes even 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.